Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Reena. We're going to talk about Microsoft Fabric and how to get started with Microsoft Fabric free trial account using your personal email account, which is not associated to any work or school account. Um, and also the number one thing not to do when you get started with the Fabric trial. Uh, that is please do not delete your capacity admin. So I will go over into more details. Who is a capacity admin? What is a capacity? So let me take a step back. And if you haven't started with Microsoft Fabric, please go ahead and get started. You can check out my previous video, and I will go over through that. Yeah, I went over that in more detail in my previous account, but I will quickly revise. Go over those steps. So for getting started with Microsoft Fabric, you need is work on an email account, basically an Microsoft Entra ID, which is associated to any DNS. Uh, you know, uh, and if you do not have that, you can still go ahead and get started with that. You can, start with the free, go to azure.portal.com. You can sign in, free Azure, or if you already have run out of free Azure trial, you can still sign in your portal.azure.com. And then you just need to create is a Microsoft Entra ID. Go ahead and click on Microsoft Entra ID, or you can search here Microsoft Entra ID. And then go to the users, and then click a new user here. I've already created that. I went over these steps in my previous video. So you can go ahead and check that out. So this user will be created, and then you need to, go to app.fabric.microsoft.com and then enter your email and complete all the other steps. And then it will ask you to log in into the, app. You need to reset the password for that particular account you created, which will be created at .onmicrosoft.com, and you need to sign in there, and then it will take you to this homepage. It will show you Power BI at the top, and then you can click on start trial, and then it will start your Fabric trial. create your it will create your trial capacity. So let me go ahead and show you how it looks. uh, yeah okay. So yeah, first when you will come land to this page, it will be the Power BI page. So once you start the trial, you can navigate to this in the left side corner, uh, hover over it and click on Fabric, and it will come here. And then because I've already started it, my trial status is showing 58 days. You can see here. Okay. And yeah, so yeah, let me talk about so the first person under a tenant who starts a Microsoft Fabric trial, they become your default capacity admin. And do not delete the capacity admin without, assigning someone else as some other user as a capacity admin. If you do that, then your free trial capacity under your tenant becomes unmanaged, and other users will show an error message. Hey, you need to assign. When they click on start a Fabric trial, they will see an error message. This needs to be assigned to the workspace, or a trial capacity. And without capacity admin, you will not be able to uh, take advantage of this free trial. You might be like, hey, I think we have some, deleted users tab under users. Maybe we can restore and, that user, and that should not be an issue. Actually, I tried that with my other account, and Microsoft does not um, restore the capacity admin rights. Once, if you try to restore the deleted from the users, for example, this particular user, was the first one who tried under my tenant, and now I, for some reason, deleted it and without assigning someone else as a capacity admin. So now it's showing is your free trial has expired and additional free trials are not available at this time. So just keep that in mind. And let me show you what is capacity. So once you go to the fabric and then you go to the settings and you can navigate, you need to navigate to admin portal. Click on the admin portal and you should, yeah, click on trial and there, voila, you see your trial capacity name. It will start with trial and it will tell you who's a capacity admin, and then you can you can change the admin here before the user is deleted. And it also show you the capacity units. So it basically is 64 units. Fabric is a SaaS platform, so you don't have to create your own compute and storage, but you need to choose which capacity you want your license. So that and trial offer gives us 64 units, which is equivalent to Power BI Premium. If you have worked with Power BI, you will know that. I mean, you will know understand that. What is B1 when I say? But I can go over that in more details. And also other things, how you can assign, who can create workspaces under this trial, contributor permission. So this is people who can add or remove workspaces in this capacity. So you can give permission to your entire organization or to your specific users. And also you can also assign, you can also add, remove workspaces assigned to this capacity. I mean, you means capacity admin. So capacity admin can do that. So you click on this assign workspace here. And then you can assign that. Click on here and then you can enter the name of the workspace and then you can assign that. Okay, so now let's head over to home and let's start with some fabric. Let's create a new workspace. Let's give it a name. Let's call it fabric analytics. So maybe analytic teams under your tenant or team is using. So click on advanced. It's already default is using trial. Apply. And now you can click on new items, and here you can get started with a pipeline. You can start with get data, all these different features, store your storage, basically this falls under your one lake, or you can, create a warehouse. Let's create a warehouse. Let's give it a name, fabric warehouse. Okay, great. We will go over in detail all these fabric concepts in coming videos. So here I'm just showing you for, how you get started. And now it by default it just it's a one click away your warehouse, and you can write your T-SQL queries here. And for example here, if I want to write a query, you can start getting data into it, and it will let me run a query. For example, you can just a column name or a field name, and you can just run this query. See, that's how you can run your queries. Yeah. Yeah, so this is just quickly walking you through how you can get started with fabric. I'll also go over, like, just for fun fact, how much these capacities, if you end up using how much they cost. So these are the different capacities. Where is it? Okay. Yes, here you can see now. Fabric and the capacity and SKUs list the Microsoft. Okay, they're used to measure the compute power available under your SKU. So they have moved from P to F SKUs. So P1, the lowest one in the premium used to be, and so now it is called F64. And yeah, so that is what we get. And I just, for fun fact, try to see how much they cost. Estimated, like if you do a paid one, so this is, you can see it costs around 8,000. This is an estimated cost. As they say, you might get discount, or business might get discounted, but just estimated is like this much how it costs. 8,000 per month. And even the lowest one is 262. Okay. Yeah, so I hope you find this video useful, and if you think this video was useful, please like it and subscribe. Until then, see you next time.